Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I did have a few people mention it, and I also had a few people asking what it's all about. And basically, we talked about the fact that DuckDuckGo apps were actually there was some tracking from from Microsoft, and I had a little rant about that. Not that much that it had the tracking, that they just didn't say what that it was happening. So that kind of started a little stir about DuckDuckGo. There's another page that you can use for those that are want to be on privacy, high privacy. Startpage.com, which is another place where you can actually search the web in total privacy, no tracking, nothing. The company prides itself on being highly, really highlights privacy as its number one feature. Remember that DuckDuckGo did actually. That's what they were saying, but that's the way it is sometimes. So they're not storing personal information, and they are removing all search and remove all trackers. So you also have an anonymous view possibility. So basically, you've got all of that here, how it works, and all the features. Here on the upper right, you have learn about anonymous view. And you have StartMail, which is apparently also a very high protected private email service that's possible. So anyways, I'll give the link to this page if you wish to try it out. And basically, it's a alternative if DuckDuckGo for you was a non-starter after you learned about the Microsoft tracking and the apps. Well, maybe you want to try StartPage instead. This is another alternative for private browsing on the internet. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.